Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nakabanta ban penjan ya gejing yadai bat ki Paidbah ke Director General of Police ke jela ke kong ida shisha nongrang kalau pli jingkhang nakabanta ki Paidbah ban wan Ïakynduh lada ki kwa ban pensngau shaka ya ki jing e. Keni galong kasian ke Nyngkong ha ke jela Meghalaya bat le se ha kari barok kawai baka kli do jong ki pulit kan pelat por shisian shitayo ban Ïakynduh e ki Paidbah nakabanta ban sngap ya ki jing e jong ki. Ki Paidbah ha ke jela ki la ban Ïakynduh e ke DGP hamana ka sngi pale jong katayo kabasdang naduk kapor kharwai baje men step haduk kapor ar baje janmit mentaka sngi kalai phau tarik kabade ke sngi ke Nyngkong baka DGP ke Ïakynduh e ki Paidbah kumba arpu ar ngut ki breu na barok kawai ke jela ki lawan ban Ïakynduh e ke DGP hapo ke headquarter ki pulit Shillong kito ki bakwa ban Ïakynduh e ke DGP ki la ban register shwa yalade naduk kapor khandai baje men step haduk kapor kharwai baje 100% minute haman la sngi palai.
People from various walks of life had come in and various things. Some of them had come in with grievances. Some of them had come in with requests for help. A couple of them were related to issues with our serving policemen. Two of them were with issues of policemen who had died while on duty, and requests for a compassionate appointment, etc. We have noted most of the things. There were a few who had just come in on a congratulatory note, so I had a couple of minutes with all of them, and some which is not in my charter, but since they had come, so then accordingly advised them to take it up with the concerned authorities.
The immediate request which you can address, can you tell us?
I beg your pardon?
Among the
immediate requests, yes, there are some requests for. Wait, let me tell you what I can do immediately. Okay, there. There was two delegations, two groups which come in with regard to people with disabilities. They had wanted some kind of a training capsule for especially for the traffic policemen, personnel who, so that they can address the issues for people with disabilities. That we will be implementing immediately. There was one request for some kind of public nuisances being carried out in different parts of the city. That we would address immediately. Then other things would take a bit of time. There was, like I said, there was some from the insurance also who wanted to conduct awareness programs, and there was a complaint from, not a complaint, a request from these taxi aggregators. So unfortunately, that is not my charter, so I've told them then, and immediately the other things, no, those are the issues that would be addressed immediately.
So since it is a new initiative, how do you see the response?
I would say it was pretty good response for the thing. There were quite a few calls asking if we could come on other days. I said yes, but on other days you would have to take a prior appointment. Today you could just walk in and we'd come.
And today altogether, how many have met you?
I have 22 groups. Some of them were just individuals. Some of them had come in groups of 2s and 3s. So,
Are there any issues related to crime, especially crime against women?
Crime against women, not. Yes, there was one.
Entrepreneurs ma jangli state tiga juman cumi bani tentu bagi kalong halor bagi kabedi bakani ki issue jo ki illegal aggregator Kiba operate state joni dia nakaliang jongi ni setelah ikong dong bayar apa there are some certain advices bila ai kabedi bakani di sa pet ni skmat ngam kuatan ban keren namar ba koi ka bintaro ni idang last year ni job ni to the chief minister championship 4.0 then ni incubate under prime then nampak tham ban keren ha pe de ki details on kene under partnership government ba concerned department bagi shimkia habide bagi ki illegal aggregator ki operate till date hani ra jela jo marba ka khata ba kam tam ini ki balayo ek license ki balaya number bon ki process ki blasio ki sa ada kilang benyo ek ani ka license ngre balong menta ni kalong very unfair ba ki balong illegal kin operate hangi ngripat mengipat ki ba dang ni ka license ni syate syapom which is I kalong very unfair ini kan illegal aggregator but ki startup na kani local startup na kaste jong meghalaya ako wedi kata te long in kwa na ban yun apa na ni sepet adien de komentate tangta ini so
Nomor
explore other options nomor ba maslo ba lada ni sya long kumne ni sya le silian ni yo apoi kapot ba ni sahapan tir ke jengkang juga put that be the pekat one of the options we did tentang ini apa gila pun explore itu kata hoy ga ki dia tidak anu ni kita Andre palong mentang nak don ga license lah system tam tengah semua ki concern department balik kepada kam nomor ba kalau tak ajur ban ni lah apa yang kapor ba you let's say kan first aggregator in the state of Meghalaya akan shut down because of ampak kuat menang ni tangba tengta atau kan si highway di tangin sih terus masalah